children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. So let's start the new topic, new chapter, the coastal plains and islands. So let's get started. Answer in one word or two, right? And India's southern part is triangular in shape and is surrounded by water on three sides, the Arabian Sea to the west, the Bay of Bengal to the east and the Indian Ocean to the south. बच्चों please note down, है ना? आपकी बहुत हेल्प होगी एक्सरसाइज करने में. Such a land which is surrounded by water bodies on three sides is called the peninsula. The coast surrounds the peninsula. The coast is the point where the land meets the sea or ocean. In the east and west, the Deccan Plateau is surrounded by a narrow coastal plain. In the east, between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal lies the eastern coastal plain. Please mark this line. In the west, between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea lies the western coastal plain. This also बच्चों, ये दोनों आपकी बहुत मदद करेंगे अगर आप साथ साथ अंडरलाइन करते जाएंगे. These plains stretch along the coast for about 6,000 km from Gujarat in the west to West Bengal in the east. They meet at Kanyakumari and this is the southernmost tip of the peninsula. The western coastal plains are located between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. ये इन दोनों के बीच में situated है बेटा. It stretches from Gujarat in the north and passes through Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. The Gujarat coast in the north, the Konkan coast in the middle up to Goa, the Malabar coast in the south from Goa to Kanyakumari, lagoons or backwaters locally called kyles and are found along the Malabar coast. The eastern coastal plain, it is located between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. इन दोनों के बीच में है ये located and it starts from the West Bengal in the north and passes through the Odisha, आंध्र प्रदेश and तमिल नाडु. बच्चों इसको मार्क करते जाइए या एक टेबल बना लीजिए जहाँ जहाँ आपको प्लेसेस को मार्क करना है कि कहाँ से कहाँ तक मिलते हैं, कहाँ से कहाँ पास होकर जाते हैं. The eastern coastal plains are divided into two parts. The northern part of the northern part and the southern part. The northern part of the eastern coastal plain is called and the northern Sarkars. The southern part is referred to as the Coromandel coast. The eastern coastal plain are wider than the western coastal plain. दोनों में यही difference है कि ये wider है. The islands, there are many small islands along the two coastal plains. The two large groups of islands in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal near the Indian mainland are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Bay of Bengal encompasses two groups of roughly 300 islands. The northern islands are known as the Andaman Islands, whereas the southern islands are known as Nicobar Islands. The 10-degree Celsius channel separates these two island groups and they constitute a union territory of India. Indira Point is the island's southernmost point. It is also the southernmost point of the India. The cellular jail at Port Blair is very famous. आप सब जानते हैं वहाँ पर cellular jail है. During the British control of India, many Indian freedom fighters were imprisoned in this jail. पहले जब भी सजा देनी होती थी इंडियंस को तो यहीं पर भेजा जाता था बच्चों और बहुत बुरी तरह से उनके साथ व्यवहार होता था. It was popularly known as Kala Pani. Yes, Kalapuri, because a stretch of water in ASNI glands appear black in color. Lakshadweep Islands, these are a group of roughly 30 islands, but only a few of them are inhabited, जहाँ पर लोग रहते हैं. They are located off the Malabar coast and they also form a union territory. Fishing and tourism are the main occupations of the people and coconut is the main crop. तो यहाँ पे fishing होती है, tourism से भी पैसा कमाया जाता है और जो coconut है वो main crop है यहाँ की. Many of these islands are formed from deposits of the skeletons of an animal called coral and such islands are called coral islands. Kavarati is the capital of city of Lakshadweep Islands, and unlike the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, most of which are hilly, and the islands of Lakshadweep are flat. Life in the western coastal plains. The western and eastern coastal plains cover some parts of the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Odisha, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry and West Bengal. Gujarat, this is located in the northwest of India. Gandhinagar is the state capital. The primary occupations of the people of this state are trading and farming. Cotton, wheat, sugarcane, jowar and bajra are the main crops grown in the state. Gujarat is well known for its textile, petroleum, fertilizers, salt and diamond cutting industries. Its khadi and handloom industries are also well developed. तो जो गुजरात है फेमस है बच्चों टेक्सटाइल के लिए, पेट्रोलियम के लिए, फर्टिलाइज़र, सॉल्ट और डायमंड कटिंग के लिए. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं डायमंड कटिंग की, और खादी के लिए भी, हैंडलूम इंडस्ट्रीज़ के लिए भी बहुत फेमस है ये जगह. Dairy farming is an important industry in Gujarat. The famous Amul milk products are from Anand in Gujarat. It was started by Dr. Verghese Kurian, and who is considered a pioneer in white revolution in India. The main language spoken in the state is Gujarati. Women wear sari and lehenga. Men traditionally wear chudidars and short jackets called अंगरखास विद कलरफुल टर्बन्स. तो यहाँ के आपने अगर पोशाक देखे तो उनकी बहुत कलरफुल पोशाक होती है. अंगरखा ऊपर वाला जो पोर्शन होता है ना उसे अंगरखा बोला जाता है. कलरफुल उनकी पगड़ी होती है. अहमदाबाद इज द लार्जेस्ट सिटी ऑफ गुजरात. गांधी जी साबरमती आश्रम इज लोकेटेड इन द सिटी. The Gir forest, which is the home of the Asiatic lion, is a famous tourist attraction of the state. Now let's talk about Maharashtra. The Konkan coast runs through Maharashtra. Mumbai, the capital of Maharashtra, is situated on the Konkan coast. It is the largest seaport in India. The seabed of the Konkan coast has huge deposits of petroleum. The reason is called Bombay High. Goa, this is the beautiful state of Goa, is located to the south of Maharashtra. Panji is the capital of it. Please mark कर लीजिए बच्चों. Panji is the capital and Goa is rich in iron ore. Mining is an important industry in the state. Christmas is an important festival in this state. Please mark here. Christmas is the important festival. Tourists visit Goa to enjoy its beautiful beaches and churches. तो यहाँ की जो beaches हैं लोग वहाँ पे बहुत जाते हैं, विजिटर्स बहुत जाते हैं बीचेस पर और चर्चेस में भी. द बेसिलिका ऑफ बॉम जीसस इन पंजी इज़ वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट चर्चेस एंड इट हाउसेस सेंट फ्रांसिस Xavier mortal remains. The Mahalakshmi temple and Fort Aguada are major tourist attractions. Now let's talk about Karnataka. As we go towards the south from Goa along the coast, we will reach Karnataka. It is the mostly covered by thick forest. New Mangalore port is an important seaport along the coast. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या है कर्नाटका में बेसिकली यहाँ पे घने जंगल हैं बेटा, right? Kerala, it is a beautiful state in the extreme south of the western coastal plains. Tiruvananthapuram, formerly इसको बोला जाता है तिरुवनंतपुरम, and it's the capital of Kerala. Kochi is Kerala's major disease port and Kerala is a major producer है spices का, coconuts, cashews, coffee and rubber का. Malayalam and English are the principal languages of the state. Men wear a lungi, also known as mundu, and a shirt. Women wear mundu and blouse. Onam is a major festival in Kerala, जैसे कि आपने पहले भी पढ़ा है. During Onam, snake boat races are held. The main classical dances of the state are Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. Kovalam beach is the most famous beach. The lagoons or backwaters of Kerala, the wildlife sanctuary at Periyar and the famous temples are other tourist attractions. तो यहाँ पर भी tourists बहुत जाते हैं. Life in the eastern coastal plains, Odisha. Odisha is a major state on the eastern coastal plain. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Puri and Cuttack are the other important cities. The Mahanadi river delta is particularly very fertile. The main crop of this region is rice. Odisha handloom sarees, सिल्वर ज्वेलरी एंड डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स आर क्वाइट पॉपुलर। तो यहाँ पर जो फसलें होती हैं वो मेन क्रॉप जो है वो राइस है, और यहाँ पर जो फेमस चीज़ें हैं यहाँ की साड़ियाँ, ज्वेलरी, जो चांदी की ज्वेलरी होती है, डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स, इनके लिए बहुत फेमस है ये जगह। माइनिंग इज़ एन इम्पोर्टेंट इंडस्ट्री इन ओडिशा। So the principal languages of state are ओडिया यानी एंड इंग्लिश भी है। ओडिसी is a popular dance form। रथ यात्रा इन पुरी, द टेम्पल्स ऑफ भुवनेश्वर, पुरी एंड कोनार्क एंड द चिलिका लेक विद इट्स बर्ड सेंचुरी आर सम ऑफ द मेजर टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शंस ऑफ द स्टेट। Tamil Nadu, Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu, lies on the Coromandel coast. It is an important port and the marine beach is in the city is the longest beach in India. The Vivekananda Rock Memorial has been built on a small island near the coast called Vivekananda Rock. Puducherry, let's talk about this. It's a union territory located towards the south of Chennai. It is well known for the Shri Aurobindo Ashram and Matri Mandir. It was once ruled by French, right? The locals speak Tamil, English and French language. तो यहाँ पे पहले फ्रेंच पीपल उन्होंने यहाँ पे रूल भी किया था, और यहाँ पे ये दोनों मंदिर बहुत फेमस हैं, दोनों जगहें बहुत फेमस है, और यहाँ पे जो लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है वो तमिल, इंग्लिश और फ्रेंच बोली जाती है। So let's talk about now Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh lies to the north of Tamil Nadu. Amravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh, and the delta formed by the Krishna and the Godavari is important for growing crops. Farming is the main occupation and rice is the main crop. Visakhapatnam is a major seaport. So सबसे ज़्यादा जो attraction का part है वो यहाँ का major seaport है. It has a shipbuilding yard, an oil refinery and an iron and steel plant. So let's have a look on now West Bengal. This is located along the eastern coastal plain. This coastal region soil is extremely fertile. Rice and jute grow abundantly in this region. There are numerous jute and textile mills in this state. The most important festival in the state is Durga Puja, Victoria Memorial, Indian Museum and Sundarbans National Park. These are the tourist attraction in the state. So now we have some questions for you. You have to try to answer. Write T for true and F for false. तो आपने इन statements का आंसर T और F में देना है, यानी आपको लगता है ये सही है तो T, अदरवाइज आप F लिखिए। Knowledge booster, India has a total of 1208 islands. Let's wrap up. Yes बच्चों, आइए चैप्टर का एक बार और चैप्टर को सही से देखते हैं। India's southern part is triangular in shape and is surrounded by water on three sides, the Arabian Sea to the west, the Bay of Bengal to the east and the Indian Ocean to the south. The western coastal plains are located between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. The Bay of Bengal encompasses two groups of roughly 300 islands. These are a group of roughly 30 islands, but only a few of them are inhabited. The beautiful state of Goa is located to the south of Maharashtra. Panji is its capital. Kerala is a beautiful state in the far south of the western coastal plains. Odisha is a major state on the eastern coastal plain. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. West Bengal is located along the eastern coastal plain. This coastal region's soil is extremely fertile. Let's have a look on checkpoint. Your turn, my dear children. Tick the correct answer. So some options are given. Choose the correct option and write it in the blank. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. You have to choose the word from the chapter for this statement which is missed here. Answer the questions briefly and answer the questions in detail. So in brief you have to write 3-4 lines, and in detail you have to write it properly. Okay, in detail. Hots, why are the coastal areas hot and humid? Value based question and life skill. If you visit Goa as a tourist, what cleanliness habits should you adopt to keep the sea beaches neat and clean? And write any 5 points in your scrapbook. Assertion, reason, question. In each of the following questions, a statement of assertion A is given and a corresponding statement of reason R is given just below. Mark the correct option. Okay. And source based questions now. Read the below given paragraph and answer the questions that follow. तो आपको ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ना है, इसके बेस पर कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, उनको करना है आपको. प्रोजेक्ट एक्टिविटी, फिल द इम्पोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन टू कंप्लीट द टेबल. आप ये जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपसे मांगी गई है इसको कंप्लीट करें बेस्ड ऑन द थिंग्स गिवन लाइक मेन लैंग्वेजेस, फेस्टिवल्स, क्रॉप्स एंड स्टेपल फूड. Map work on an outline map of India. Label the and mark the following states, union territories: Kerala, Goa, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands and Puducherry. And have fun, enjoy.